All right. Welcome in, everyone. I think I've gotten the Instagram dual streaming so that Instagram sees vertical and everyone else will see the desktop. I think I got that working. So, what are we working on? We're updating this curriculum. Laterally website, laterally.io. Open source curriculum. You can sign up for free. My name's John, software engineer, 10 plus years of experience. I'm the lead maintainer. And it's out of date because if you go to the blog, the job boards are out of date. So hired.com has been like bought up. So it's like not good anymore. And you can see my previous stream. I stream all this stuff to YouTube and the streams are saved. So you can get the background if you go check that out. I think I also got rid of Underdog because it wasn't performing for me. Oh, Underdog is still here, huh? In the Blitz app side. That's okay. That's the old one. Yeah, so in the new one, it's not there anymore. And now I'm migrating the Laterally Slides repository over. So Laterally Slides, I archived earlier today, and I'm taking the content and migrating it to the production blog. Okay, so we're making a new blog article. So to start with, here is the old form, literally just copied out of the other repository. I say docs ancient curriculum, we'll commit that, push it. And I want to reopen it, but the drop down is giving me trouble. Okay, so docs. Yeah. Okay, so here's the old form of the curriculum, and we are going to update it. We're going to update it. Get over to chatgpt.com. Let's use, yeah, this is fine. O1 could be cool as well. Consider this Learn to Code curriculum. Act as an expert web developer and teacher, and let's update it to be current as of 2025. Ask questions as needed to clarify. And important, two important changes will be, number one, let's say 3. Do I have soft skills in here? I would like the new form to include the following changes, plus any identified by our conversation. 1, the new approach is social first. So the first step is for the student to join Discord and begin engaging with the community. The new approach is project-based, and it is critical for the student to view the trial by fire and upload content. Maybe I need to redo the trial by fire first, huh? Instagram looks like it's working. Welcome in. Welcome in. critical for the student to view the trial by fire and upload content to GitHub on the first day as a proof point for their months of experience later on. The new approach, good. Project-based. The new approach is AI first. So the student should review search techniques. Mohammed, welcome in. Hello from YouTube. So the student should review search techniques, including prompt engineering practices and traditional search techniques. In order to maximize learning speed and minimize time to first interview. 4, the new curriculum should follow a markdown format. Loved your content, doing great. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Okay, so let's go get this old bit. Without anchor links. Oh, it wants me to use the canvas. I don't like the canvas. And use get stage. And the period means stage everything. Now I can say get status, and it will stage every work in this environment. It's about what we're expecting from prompts, and you can kind of figure this out. This is this new skill set of prompt engineering. All right, let's read through this. It feels really lightweight. I do not want to use the canvas, man. Let me close this. Yeah, look, my beautiful prompt was just eliminated. What's going on? I'm copying all this to my clipboard so I don't lose it. Do not use canvas mode. Maybe I should go over to Claude, eh? Let's go to Claude. Yeah, ChatGPT is just dead. I don't know what happened to it. I guess my prompt nuked it. Oh, okay. Refreshing worked. Finally. For the social first Discord aspect, should we include specific recommendations for Discord channels, communities? Yeah. There is an introductions channel for Discord for Discord networking. Here is the Discord invite URL. Channels to visit include recommended channels to visit include introductions, general, programming help, any others that seem fun or useful. What specific initial project would you recommend for day one? Regarding the trial by fire approach, here is the URL to the instruction video. The project can be completed in as little as 1 hour. You do not have to use... Oh, I guess not. We'll go for 2 hours, in as little as 2 hours. This project is a minimal vanilla blog using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Users should create a GitHub account and a new repository as recommended in the video content. Prompt engineering patterns for different learning scenarios. Prompt engineering, recommended prompt engineering patterns and search techniques are covered in the following video. Okay, cool. Instagram. Hey, I'm currently in college learning PHP and MySQL. I found you through TikTok. You teach very well. Thank you so much. Claude is also using this Canvas approach. Hope theirs is better than ChatGPT. Okay, Modern Web Development Curriculum 2025, getting started your first day. Welcome to your journey into web development. Unlike traditional approaches, we'll start with 3 key foundations that will accelerate your learning journey: community engagement, hands-on project work, and AI-enhanced learning. Join the developer community, day 1. Your first step is joining the Latterly Discord community. Complete your first project, day 1. This trial by fire, yep. And this was really all just in the checklist. Yeah. Semantic HTML, accessibility best practices, forms and validation. HTML fundamentals should also include oh, and it says CSS mastery. I hate that so much. Core technical path. I want search techniques first. Let's update this to include update the whole document to remove references to mastery. Latterly.io emphasizes growth and sufficiency over mastery. Update section 3.3 to include a note on mindset. Emphasizing sufficiency over mastery. For example, we will teach the student about common HTML tags and CSS keywords, but the student need not memorize all HTML tags or CSS keywords. Instead, sprinting to projects and interviews, then identifying gaps and filling them on an as needed and just in time basis is much more practical and efficient. Okay. In addition, let's extend HTML fundamentals. No, that's good. That's good. That's good. We can do this to include some common tags and some uncommon tags. Let's relabel CSS mastery to CSS fundamentals and add to HTML fundamentals. Ditto for CSS properties. Another bit here is content creation. Let's prefix core technical path. Let's identify as part 4. Yeah, I really just need to do a video on this. I'll make up a URL. No, I need to do the new trial by fire and include all these bits. Include all these bits. In 3, learning tools and growth mindset. Let's also reiterate the value of learning in public, emphasizing the importance of creating some kind of content on day 1, even if it's just a text post about what they did today. Cool. I think this is a good starting point for the new curriculum. VS Code extensions, do I have Markdown? Yeah, Markdown Lint. Okay, that works. What about endorsed communities? So is this up to date? Free Code Camp is still cool, absolutely. Benawad, probably. How active is this server? I mean, I'm still in the Benawad server, so sure. Yeah, and there's Convo over there today. Okay, so Benawad's still good to go. React to Flux, right on. These are good. The big ones are good. I guess I'm not in the Free Code Camp anymore, am I? Okay, what about small influencer-led communities? Laterally, we're bigger now. Hoo hoo hoo. That's right, 250 plus. Hold on to your seat. Learn, build, teach, comp sci, live, community. I don't know if I recommend that one anymore. Code with Vincent, nah. $1,700 junior members. Okay, it's a bit big, eh? I don't know. I guess I need drop a comment if there's another small influencer led community you're aware of that like kind of slaps. It's like good. $156. Okay, I guess we can still recommend Vincent's. It's pretty small. How many people are in the server? I don't know. I can see the online count, but not the not online count. Okay. Code with Vincent. We'll leave you there. Learn, build, teach. Good. Is Ella's study still active? Yeah, I guess so. So we'll leave that as well. Cool. Okay, that works. I think this is fine. I mean, there might be better communities, but I don't know. This seems good to me. So curriculum here. We're going to make it into a blog article. So I want to go source app blog. We'll name them unique by day, 2025-01. So I'll pretend that these are different days. And then the networking scripts, right? Okay, so let's make this into a proper blog article by adding the front matter. This bit right here. So here we say, what does this matter about? Multiple top level headings. Nope, there shouldn't be. Okay, so I just get rid of that initial bit here. (15, 16, 17, 18). So this will be 19. Blog article 19. Modern web development curriculum. And this will say 1, 21, 25. Cool. Is designed to go hand in hand with Latterly.io's free checklist. For what? For beyond this material, Latterly.io offers a premium checklist, individual coaching, and small group coaching for even more effective and personalized outcomes. And then let's get a link to the paid here. Join now. I think that's good. Learn more here. And then this page, I can, if you have it, it just opens it up. And if you don't have it, I can put like a pitch here. Okay, this is good. So this is modern, so this is docs, new curriculum. This will be 18. Oh no, I got the dates wrong. The curriculum, so 15, 16, 17, 18. Here's 19. Checking on the chat real quick. Looks good. Okay. So there's 19 endorsed communities. 21st, 20th, and then this is article 20 about networking scripts. Yep. And it's for the 23rd. 22nd, 23rd. Great. Oh, did I make 2 entries for that? Social networking scripts. Yeah. So I can just be called networking scripts. No, I think social networking scripts is good because it's like networking scripts technically could be a different thing. Okay, so let's get this stuff. Mm. 17, 18, 19. Cool. Let me read through them quickly just to make kind of sanity check them. So the important bit about this networking scripts is that I want to include the template message. Let me go to my local host. And I should be able to see the table of contents. Yeah, total contributions doesn't exist. Why is it mad? NPX Prisma generate. Okay, I just needed to update my Prisma. So we go to the blog. and on the social networking scripts. Good, we have this. We have this. So we need to expand this now. All right, so looks like it's kind of like a filler sentence. I think I just dropped that. This document includes scripts that you can use to message other professionals, whatever. That's so stupid. This document also includes a variety of job search tips, such as the 3 strikes rule for application follow-up. I'm going to say this article walks you through recommended practices for social and professional networking, including specific scripts or templates for messaging. That's fine. It's a good idea to tailor the language in these scripts to your specific situation, but if you're uncomfortable with the risk introduced by modifying them, you can also use them as is. Specific scripts are given for talking to individuals in 3 roles: other engineers, managers, and recruiters. The goal of these scripts is to improve the odds of achieving any of several positive outcomes, including obtaining an interview, obtaining a new LinkedIn connection, obtaining a referral or reference, obtaining general advice to facilitate job search. Yeah, good. Hi, I'm applying for a role at Targeting Company, and I see you work there. I see y'all use some tech and I have used that in my portfolio. Would you be willing to take a look at the code in this repo? I'm looking to see whether I think that's fine. Request for a portfolio review. think we don't need that. I'm getting rid of all of these post activities. Before I even get into the scripts, I want to give general usage guidance. And then I want to give generic cold, yeah, the template for getting a referral. Let me get this example here. Cool, there it is. And I think this fits. Let me open up LinkedIn in my other browser and pick a random person to make sure it fits in the add note. Yep, and that'll fit. You have up to like 80 characters for the job post URL there. If the job post URL goes over 80 characters, you're going to run into some pain points, but it basically works. Okay, cool. So that's the main cold referral seeking script. General usage guidance. 1, message people through LinkedIn. By using add note when you send a connection request. Do not simply connect and then send a message days later if they happen to accept your message list request. Okay, 2, apply a punch up, down, and sideways by connecting with people at, above, and below your level. Use the 3 strikes rule for follow-up messages. Yeah. Connect with multiple people at the same company. Don't wait. Yeah, connect when you identify a target role. Immediately send connection requests to multiple people at the company. Don't wait for one person to time out before connecting with others. Yeah. When you identify a target role, apply a 2-day time box in order to seek a referral before applying. If you don't get a referral, apply anyway. Okay? What else? Oh, respect the it's fine to modify. Do modify templates as needed to respect the character limit of the add note feature. Casual expressions like you're over you are fine. Ladder recommends the 3 strikes rule for application follow-up. The 3 strikes rule itself has 3 pieces described below. 3 strikes for a role, not a contact. Good. The rule indicates that an individual should follow up 3 times before declining a job due to a lack of employer responsiveness. It's often inappropriate or suboptimal to message the same individual 3 times. Following up on a single job post 3 times may indicate 2 messages to a recruiter and 1 to a hiring manager, for example. Similarly, an unresponsive engineer may simply not be a frequent social media user. Following up with the engineer 3 times on the same role is not effective and possibly annoying. Yep. Do follow up once with an unresponsive contact, but do message a different contact if the original contact, yeah. Good, I think this is fine. This is follow up. So this is the 3 strikes rules. Oh no, my indentation didn't work. Bummer. Why is that? Okay. Hey, I'm applying for, I see you're a recruiter there. Would you mind checking on my application and resume? I'm wondering, would you recommend any changes to improve my resume? Does it seem a fit for the role? What is the normal response time? Cool. Yeah, that's fine. Those are good. Slay. So this is docs, social networking scripts. So that's 17. Here's 18 with the modern web development curriculum. That's fine. That's fix article number. What about the endorsed communities here? Yeah, I already checked them out. They seem fine, right? If you have extra cash, use repurpose to multi-post. That seems like something I don't need to say. Latterly.io suggests these communities to expedite your social networking journey. Social networking can be useful for learning the job search and more. As a best practice, leverage your social media presence to build in public. Start with a 2:1 ratio where you code for at least 1 hour per day and engage on social media for at least 30 minutes each day with a focus discussing technical topics. Good. So then you'll end up with 3.5 hours a week. Yeah, I think that's a fine starting point. If you have yet to land your first coding job, 1, don't try to engage deeply with all of the communities to the neglect of other important tasks. What? Try out various communities to see who you resonate with. After a week of experimenting, try out various communities and see who you resonate with. After a week of experimenting, pick the top 1 or 2 communities that you would like to grow with. Spend a minimum of 5 to 10 minutes per day chatting with your selected groups. After you land your job, do try out more groups later on. Continuously explore and experiment to prevent knowledge silos, increase growth, and foster diversity. Feels kind of like buzzwordy, huh? I mean, it's true though. I think I can delete this whole thing. The whole idea is just like experiment with different groups, and when you find someone that you resonate with, make sure to post there consistently, because you're trying to grow like name awareness and actual relationships. I think that's pretty well said. try to find multiple groups that you try to find multiple groups that work for you, not just one. Once you find some groups that work, post consistently in order to grow actual relationships and name recognition. I think that's, yeah. Over time, occasionally, yeah. Explore, exploit. I think explore, exploit. Sheesh, this is great. This is great. Let me test out. Can I get to the social networking scripts? Okay, so this is what I want to see if this works. Can I use the relative path? Let's see. It worked. Although I picked the wrong URL. That's my fault. Cool. Good. Endorsed communities. And then on the networking scripts, endorsed communities guide. I want to move that up, actually. It's a good idea to tailor the language of these scripts. Here, I'll just say, tailor these scripts. It's a good idea to tailor these scripts to your specific situation, but if you're uncomfortable, Ladderly.io recommends A/B testing these scripts A/B testing these scripts with and without your own personal touch, with and without tailoring and variation. Yeah. Cool. Now, let's make sure we update the sitemap. Here's the sitemap, but where is it being built? Yeah, generate sitemap. Let's see what that does. Do I have the generate sitemap script over here? Oh no, so many issues. I'll call this better build. And I'll leave the linting I'll leave the linting out for now. Golly. Generate sitemap, here it is. Okay. It's mad at us for that. Let's make it TypeScript. We'll do the experimental strip flags or strip types. Okay, and this will need to be TS. Good. It's still not going to work, I don't think. Let's see. Yeah, I need to actually rewrite the script. Composer, what's up, buddy? Update this script to use syntax appropriate for TypeScript, including updated import syntax. Danny, what up, gang? Long time. Unsupported model. Oh, my bad. Let's see. Claude 3.5 Sonnet. Redo. All right, let's make a new conversation. Do I need the node types? Types node? Who added that beautifier? Okay. Hey, hey. Snacks, let's go. Thank you.
It's probably really hot, just so you know.
Okay. Do you have a Zevia?
Not a cold one.
That's okay. Whoo, salmon, dude. Let's go. Thank you so much. Okay, so I'm installing the XML beautifier, right? Just relocated Stripe, that's fine. Types node was downgraded, no thanks. I like my nodes upgraded, yeah. Cool, that seemed to work, huh? I'm going to drop my package lock and reinstall it. And then I'm going to try to revert this. See if I can still run the script without that. Nice. So we've got the updated sitemap now. Let's go count our wins. Close some tabs. We love closing tabs. Build in progress. Deprecate hired.com suggestion. Okay, so we'll be closing 383. Closing 385, closing 384. Got these. We could update packages. What is, something here is missing, this one. An individual should send DM as a note when connecting with others. Yeah, I already included that. Cool. I think I want to do the updated packages separately. All right, y'all, and then identifying the 500 problem set, I'll be doing that separately as well. So follow the channel, and later we will do 388, 363, 370, and more. But in this stream, we were able to close 4, so I think that's good.